What does the 3rd of April mean to the people of Friuli?
Just today is the day we remember the born of our patria. Patria of Friuli was a state, real state, with the Patriarchate that was the Lord of Friuli. In that day, this day, many years ago, it happens that Friuli become a real state, and so we celebrate this day as the most important day of the year, of each year, and we are here in this beautiful place where many years ago was an old castle